Blessing, you have to keep that on you. Hey, 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 keep it on you. So guys, I'm not here to do any big shopping or anything. Come help me make some dumpling. Come help me make some dumpling. May I make some soup? Yes. This is what I call for soup. Okay guys, so we're going into the mall today. And yes, this spot is reserved for expectant mothers, which is not me, but I have small children. I had small family and families with small children. That would be me, okay? Which I'm super happy about this parking spot, because with all the snow that is falling, I don't want to be parked too far away because I have to take out the stroller and everything. So guys, we got myself something to drink, something warm. One thing with Starbucks, they're gonna come out with their holiday specials, and of course they have peppermint, and I love peppermint. So guys, I'm not here to do any big shopping or anything. I'm just looking for a gift for my niece, okay? Hello, Blessing. Oh, hi, are you tired? But we just got here, Blessing. We just got to the mall. This is so cute. Yeah. Blessing, you have to keep that on you. Hey, 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 keep it on you. No. Where did I get this platform? God, child. Fine. Guys, the drive is so bad today. Oh my goodness. Like, seriously, and crazy snowfall here. So I'm just go try and get on the highway right now. It's like 12 o'clock, so before the rush and everything. So guys, I got 4 brand new winter tires for $500, okay? And the guy charged me $100 to put them on and balance the wheels, the tires, okay? And I'm telling you, it's worth it, because you see this over there when me I drive in right now? You have to be safe. You have to make sure you have on the right and proper wheels and everything, guys, right? Because the road can get so slippery and mucky and everything. You don't want to run off of the road, slide or anything like that. So I'm telling you, get your winter tires, be safe out there. It is actually a law in Quebec, like over on the French side, to have winter tires. Like, they don't play, people. If you don't have winter tires, you could actually be charged, right? So I'm telling you, get your winter tires. I need it for my soup. Yeah, you silly goose. Yeah, come help me eat some dumpling. Come help me make some dumpling. Come help me make some dumpling. Make some soup before the Jojo and Mickey get home from school. It's so much easier on me when the dinner is already underway or already finished. Okay, guys. You see, oh, pata bubble. I can't wait to eat my chicken foot soup. Yes, I'm telling you, as soon as rain start fall in Jamaica, yes, blessed, a soup me want. You know it go for yesterday and start falling. I said, boy, I feel like free drinks look a soup in other weather, yeah. So yes, it's been snowing, snowing, snowing. Okay, here comes the bus. Why am I stop down there so far? Come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. Wonderful, yay. Okay. Okay, here comes Michaela. Hi. Yeah. I see it. Yeah, come. Mickey, come. Huh? You were just eating some snow, Mickey?
Yeah.
How did it taste? Good?
Yeah.
Did you have a good day at school?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hi.
Michaela, come this way, please. Hurry up, hurry up. Car snow alone. And get your own snow.
I can't.
Okay, well.
You won't let me go out there.
You were just coming from out there, you dear. Yes, guys, the soup ready. Mmm. Good job. Hi. So my husband is home now, which is great. I will get a little break from Blessing, even if it's just 30 minutes. I'm telling you, it is still a big deal and still appreciated, because if you're a new mom like I am, and you have a newborn, you know that taking a break is very, very important. So usually I make my tea and my two local Jamaican tough crackers and just relax for a little bit, which ended very, very quickly as Jojo brought Blessing to me. So yes, so it would be me and Blessing that will be relaxing. So short-lived. Come on, brush, brush, brush. We have to go. So what I usually do before bed is to let Josiah read some books and read with Michaela as well, just to get her into the practice until she's able to read by herself. And this is really, really good for the kids.
735 kilometers around many bays and small harbors. Havana is the capital of Cuba.
Jamaica. E for Earth. Planet Earth. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
I am the Lord's servant, so may it be done to me as you have said. And the angel left him. The word of the Lord. Thanks be God.
Okay, so that was Josiah reading at school. I was so proud of him, and as you can see, he was like looking to make sure that I saw him reading. Mickey, let me go. I'm tired. I'm getting sleep. Mickey, good night. Love you. Want to get a kiss? Alright, guys. Good night. Okay, now that everybody's gone to bed, I can really and truly finally relax a little bit. So I am going to pour myself a little wine. I love this wine. I'm telling you, it's like 18% red wine. And me, I can't drink hot juice, so of course I put ice with my wine. But it is so good. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like our video, and if you do, please, please, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.